How to hide your location using ghost mode on Snapchat on your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone. From the camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Now, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find See My Location under the Privacy Control section, then tap on it. Here, you'll see the Ghost Mode option at the top. Turn on the toggle next to Ghost Mode. Snapchat will now ask how long you want to stay hidden. You can choose 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off if you want to keep your location hidden until you disable Ghost Mode yourself.
Once you select an option, Ghost Mode will be enabled, and your location will no longer be visible to anyone on the Snap Map. That's it. This is how you can easily hide your Snapchat location using Ghost Mode on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more iPhone and Snapchat tutorials. Thanks for watching.